kitchen. I want to teach you how to cook jollof rice, party jollof rice. Let's start from introducing the ingredients. This is steamed tomato, this is pepper. You can see the pepper, different types of pepper, yellow, red, like that. This is my beef. I choose to use beef. You can use chicken, you can use goat meat. I choose to use beef today. This is thyme, this is ginger and curry powder, my onions, my beef spices, nutmeg, curry. This one is my bay leaf. These carrots, cucumber, lettuce for the decoration of the rice. This is fresh tomato, and this is my fish. I'm using fish and beef today, and this is my rice. Let's start. Okay guys, this is my soaked rice. I soak it with hot water and salt. This is the best way to cook a party jollof rice so that it will be tasty. You can see it. Hot water with salt to reduce the starch. You soak in the water for 20 to 30 minutes and set it aside. Alright, follow me and see where I make my local fire. Where I'm parboiling my fresh tomato. I cook with gas and firewood. Less for me, I prefer to cook with firewood. Blended fresh tomato, fresh pepper and onions. I am cooking it here to dry the water. The water will be very dry before I started frying the stew. The next thing to put now is in tomato. You can see I'm cooking in my local fire here. Pardon me, I prefer cooking with firewood because firewood food is sweeter than gas. So we add tomato. Tin tomato mixed with water. You add it into the fresh tomato and cook. Stir it together. You cook it until the water is totally dry. When it's dry, you set it aside. You can see the tomato is totally dry. Both the fresh and the tin one. You hardly can feel water is dry now. I boil it for 20 to 30 minutes for the water to be dry. It's totally dry now. I can bring it down and set it aside. The next is to fry my meat and my fish. The next is to fry my fish and my meat. You leave the oil like for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to be very hot. When you put the oil, you put your onions. This thing will make the meat and the fish to have a good flavor. Once it's very hot, you put your fish and your beef inside to fry. Yeah, you can see my beef is properly fried. I will remove it now and set it aside. You can see my fish is properly fried now. I fried for 20 to 30 minutes. It's well fried. I like frying my own very dry. You can do your light frying, but I like my own to be very dry. So I will remove my fish now and set it aside. You can see the oil on the pot, and I'm putting my onions. You fry your onions for 2 to 3 minutes. The next thing is your ginger and garlic, a ginger powder. You can use fresh one, you can use dry one. Me, I prefer this one. Ginger and garlic mixed together. You put your time. The next thing is your fresh tomato mixed with thin one that is well cooked. You put it inside the oil and you fry for 10 minutes. You can see the stew is well fried now. I fried for 10 to 15 minutes. It's well fried. It's time to bring it down so that I can mix my rice and start cooking. Wow! Okay, now I want to mix the rice. This is a hot water. I prefer using hot water to mix my rice. And the next thing I'm putting is my stew inside the water. Next thing is my meat water. Water. I'll put my seasoning inside the water. Wow, very delicious. I'll add a little salt to the water. When you're putting your salt, you have to be very careful so that the salt will not spoil your food. Once the taste is okay, then your rice can go in. Your rice that is well washed. This rice I soak it in a hot water with salt for 20 to 30 minutes, and I wash it like 3 times so that all the starch, at least 50% of the starch in the body, will go off. Now I'm putting my rice inside my mixed water. I like mixing my jollof rice on the ground before putting it in the fire. The reason why is that it will not make the rice to start burning while the rice has not been done. You stir it on the ground before putting it on the fire. After stirring it, the last you need to put is your bay leaf. Your bay leaf. Wow, the rice is ready to enter fire now. So give the rice like 25 minutes. So let's say 25 to 30 minutes, the rice will be done. You monitor it with the way I'm doing it like this. You can't just put it in a pot and leave it like that to done. You monitor time to time, maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes before the rice done. You can see the way I'm doing it, so that the rice will not done half and half. Anywhere that needs to be adding water, you drop a little water all around and open the center like this and drop your water if the rice is not done. That is the only way you monitor it before the rice will done, until it's done, so that it will not done half and half. It's getting ready. Within 5 to 10 minutes now, bring it down. Oh, I want to test my jollof rice and see how it's tasting. This kind of rice, it doesn't use spoon to eat it, it uses hand. We really want to enjoy it. Oh, the rice is, when you use hand to eat it, you enjoy it very well. You don't need to use spoon. You use spoon to eat this rice, you're wasting your time. Like this, the way I'm eating it. So delicious. Hi guys, you can see I'm back from my local kitchen to my foreign kitchen. The jollof rice is ready. You can see the jollof rice is looking yummy, 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 yummy. I'm inviting you guys to follow me and enjoy this delicious meal. Please follow for more recipes. Bye.